I'm asking you, do you really know? Do you know where you come from and where you go? Hello? You don't know?
No.
You can bullshit yourself. I came from heaven, I'm going back to heaven. If you're so sure that you're going back to heaven, why don't you go today? If you knew that you are going to a better place than here, why don't you go? This is the greatest crime upon humanity, that we told people there is a better place than this. This is a crime, because this is not allowing human beings to live their life to their full depth and dimension, because they think the real life is elsewhere. Now, do you have any proof that you are not already in heaven and making a mess out of it? Do you have any proof?
None.
Yo novel olo me dogbe na we bag ben kefe avala ji nko nyenye edem never moji enya me ye jagba na subscribe ola na ma video ya play ameno view me hosebe esenu fopo yimi atofo cho jifo penyawo ma de go me video ha de be menya me sia me se yevu gbe yo na mi be yevu de obe aye favu eyi aye favu ya mi le obe yevu lo français gbe efifula la yevu gbe yi mi le gbogbo ya nyebe British alo America yevu fegbe enyai miato icho India fonu chon anyebe ebe domahin jifo de anyigbaji domahin jifo de anyigbaji ebe omenya tefe yecho aleke wo afa na edibe ya nya tefe yina ta domahin enle doame fegbe ya olo chichi na obe jifo enyu efi alo enyu anyigbaji okay ame nwo da agbale demebe jifo nyu tefe ine le fifilare ne enya be jifo le de nu katama ku kaba ne wajo la anyigbaji o alo ne enya be tefe vivide le agbeyamewu agbeyimewu le fifilare nu katama wo edokuyo alo cheta ma wo edokuyo ne wajo aide anyigba maji o babia imiato icho India bia ema mako video ya fe link kodare video ya te be wonto na vai senu fafia enya mede nye mesoro no cho egbo efia no gede vo hafima yijire madibe na koto e cover moji dasile no sia no ile won na doto na ma video a hadebe o le mi de goyibo me megagble o le mi de goyibo me gba egwa me fe de kanye vonvon dodo na me fe egoyibo evelia eya nye agbe mavo alo vividu dudu le agbe ya memegbe fe gome alo maglebe goyibo ta goyibo ameve ni magbo na we be ya menovi mega ko agbe ko fe agbe memi le re ya memi ase vivina afemi ati wan se vivina agbe no me se vivina agbe ya mode amede keme ide kuo de trouble vava na mi undodo amete keme yire ejoma vo me gbo vava na mi undodo anya gbanto togbebe na enya tefe yine chore. It's very easy to know where you are going anya tefe yine yie bon me dogbe male akposo gbe fe video me ova yibe ne dunu difo va emlo tefe de kudre manyata de were me gava china me benu kponu mi le Ghana me mi pale usu bempa ple prophet wo le yi le gbogbo be yo le prophecy prophecy onye ma dafu kaka o le nutro bo ma chinya na we nya tefe de kai nyemegbe onye bishop nyemegbe onye pastor enye David chigbo ebe ile nu po nyemegbe o vomebe edejo ma fokpo a enya tefe ni cho afa va he ya me obe na jifo alere mede kuku vai diditi na jola nyigbaji na tasi suku fe hehe jola nyigbaji vai diditi na no ne na jola nyigbaji na vai no jifo na no agbe edu mede keme ga dolen we efe unchu mebe amare keme ga dolen we Mebe nyate fe de kai e amana wa sera gben kefe avalaji amade ke menga do len na ele sukude na ele sukude hadebe idibe ya odonwe idibe ya nya yevu gbedodo mi adegbe ere menko le dowo yata mi bu mi adegbe yata pepe mele mi adegbe wu na mi vu factory le mi ade mere mi ade ko me ma de melo na mi vu factory le mi ade mere efegbede mi aname do wa sro fegbe enye me sro e blugbele dodo hadebe he me ide genduo mere efegbe ma na domo ame ina dom china mere you will have to speak chui, you will have to speak Akan, if not you can't work with me. That is when we have value for our language. Mebe anyi gbaji emi ase vivina jifo me here school fees o anye ne ma na va anyi gbaji o begin to reason bia doku osebe na jifo me here school fees o dolele mele fuma agbedudu so le fuma sika cheta ma ko va agbe ya me enye hiato bo I don't see any rich man in Africa. Let me beg Gatowere, there is no rich man. I mean, you let me see they are fraudsters. They steal the nation's money to survive. Maybe out of 10, I mean, one of the 2, what can you want to over Gatowe? You to assist your boga. And for that matter, it will hear like majority are poor. Hianto we sugbo le Africa, hianto we sugbo le Togo me, hianto we sugbo le Ghana me, hianto we sugbo le West Africa. Hade jomavo pe jifota. Ow. Don't believe in that nonsense. I'm telling you. Heaven and hell is directly nyato describe ibe is bullshit. Bullshit enyanu kaya. Boule anye gbemefe ma twebe gbemefe nyi fe gaze ibede excuse me to say afoji enyi fe mi o nyere si gbogblema obe heaven and hell is bullshit si gbe mi atogbe describe yema nyemele that word heaven and hell totally nonsense compared to life we are living. You vole jifotu never kwa Jonas 24/7. You will understand what I mean. A dream me fifulare. Ne me ya cho 5 minutes, me nya be bus ava come 5 minutes. Bus me koya me wo video vai, mi apa ya lolore e veduko. Tasi we mega gble unga me na va no sol me deke me. Kochidi na me atogbe we zide kale consider me esugbo. Ma so gbolisa. Ana chiaja le wagbeleji pla me vo wagbeleji anan doavu until God separate the sun not to shine on a poor man's farm aloma gbe evil man's farm gbe amanya be jira joma vodare. There is nothing like that. Mitasi game gbegbre na mi adokwi Bibla ma va fie mi agbenwe no mi adeko no re machina we yovo King Leopold II. De Kiliopo pa gbalen ple Lord Macaulay pe video me wore e wo evenyon no evun tu vai chene na haren e ke mana senu igbo mele na amu gome yo vo me na mi nwendie me o ma na mi nwendo mu ma do evegbe na we na se dagbe ya me bia na we ama ibo me be dagbe ya me bia na we nyema fonu sugbo video so ekwe mi atogbebe Domahi, we are on heaven. So begin to enjoy yourself here on earth. Begin to be free. Now, that's the Vavona Jomavo. Now, that's the concept of going to work on a golden city. In fact, going to heaven is very hard than going to hell. Majority answer the same question to yourself. Going to heaven is very, very, very hard than going to heaven. The concept of going to heaven, probability of going to heaven is just 1% out of 99. Me biya dagbena wa me novi. Me gagbelo gamena jifo. na agbenyo nono yi mia togbe na mi de mi le dete mi asa vivi na gbe me bia dagbe na onovi